For components whose connections are visible from above and where pitch distances are small, use of the optional glass prism is recommended. The component can thus be viewed parallax-free from above and precisely aligned. The LED lighting integrated in the prism also makes this work easier. To achieve even higher precision in the placement process, or when placing components with connections on the underside, we recommend the microplacer. In addition to BGAs, it is also ideal for placement of ICs, QFNs, MLFs, CSPs and LGAs. The system works with a beam splitter that optically overlays the top side of the assembly and the bottom side of the component in the live image. Pads and pins are aligned, and then the component is precisely placed. For semi-automatic assembly, board files based on different CAD data can be conveniently imported. The PCB is displayed as an image on the monitor. All necessary setup information, such as feeder position, turntable placement, as well as component definitions, are also provided by the software supplied. After setting the reference points of the printed circuit board, the software-assisted placement process can be started. The component pickup, the solder paste, can be applied exactly with the optional dispenser. The quantity is repeatable via the precisely adjustable time-pressure setting. The dispensing action is triggered by a foot switch or by pressing the dispensing needle. Dispensing even very small solder paste drops is made even easier by a standard camera with high magnification. A further improvement is the drip recovery, which allows for optimal flow control. All components required for assembly are kept ready for use in the various feeding units. These units can be feeder cassettes, roller feeders, residual belt feeders, trays, or a rotary table for bulk material. The rotary table is also available with optional motor control. Glass prism is recommended.